Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 24th video in Python 3 programming language. So in the previous video we have learned about encapsulation in Python, and in this video we are going to talk about some file handling in Python 3. Now particularly in this video I'm going to show you how you can read a file, in Python. So now let me just create a file in here, and so right click, new file, and I call it my file.txt, and in here I'm going to write, so hello, I am Parvez, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the videos. Okay, now this is the text. Now I'm going to show you how you can read this text in Python. For this we are using so let me create a method in here, def main, and okay, now let me create a variable of file. You can use open. So for we have in open we have the file name, and also we have the mode. So there are different modes that you can use, but in this video, for example, we have R mode, A mode, W mode. In this video, because we are reading, we want to use R mode. Now let me write my file.txt, and the mode is R. Okay, now you can print this, so print file dot read. Okay, now let me just create this underscore main, and I can call my main method in here. So now if I run this, you will see that I have the text. Now let me just open the text. What was the name? My file.txt. okay, now let me just run this. So now you can see that this is the text that we have read it from our text file. Also you can read some parts of the file. So now let me show you. Comment this, and I want to print file.read, and I want, for example, the 10 characters of the file. Now if I print this, you will see that I have this 10 character of the text. Also, if you want, you can loop on a text. So you can simply for x in file, and you can simply print x. Now if I run this, so now you can see that this is the looping of our text. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and also share the video.